What's up guys, this is your boy Alexis Cantu back at with another shoe review and unboxing. Today we actually be unboxing a new that I ordered, and let's see what's inside. Damn, I cut the box. Fuck. Don't forget to spray a little bit of Lysol. Never know. You never know. With that Rona out there, never be so sure. So we got the DMP 6s in here. Take them out of the box. Size 10.5. My size right there. Let's take them out. Packaging right there says unite. We're uniting right now. Open it up. Comes with a little tag right there. Boom. Look at that. Beautiful shoe. Has a 23 in the back. It's pretty nice. Check out the So actually people were asking for these shoes, but they wanted the 11s too. I have a feeling they're gonna, bring them out soon, the 11s, because they brought the 6s. I'm pretty sure they'll bring out the 11s. You know what I mean? But these are clean, man. These are really, really clean. Has a little Jordan sign inside. It has 2020 inside. Icy bottom. Right there. Has the icy bottom. It's pretty nice. Tell me y'all what you guys think about them in the comments below. What you guys think. If you guys copped it. If you didn't cop it. If you dropped. Copped. These are nice. But this is DMP 6s. These are from the Defiant Moments. They're actually from the 1991, June the 12th. It's the MJ's first professional championship, and pretty much these came out in 2006 with the Defiant pack, and now they just brought these out. So I'm hoping to bring the 11s too, because if you have the 6s, you should also have the 11s, so hopefully they do drop the 11s. And I mean, these are pretty clean though. It's a clean shoe. 6s, I like them a lot. We'll see how it goes later on this year with the 11s, but this is a 6. Hopefully y'all did enjoy. Make sure to leave a like, a comment down below. Just so y'all know, when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. And so once I hit those 1,000 subscribers, I will be giving more details about that. But just keep that in mind, guys. Thanks for all the support, and I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.